Good day everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be showing you how I grill paprika prawns with sweet corn and potato wedges. So come, let's join Aunty. So friends, these are the ingredients for today's cooking. The main ingredients are prawns and followed by corn. This is sweet corn and potatoes. I'm gonna make this into potato wedges with a little bit of course, the herbs. I'm using some herbs, black pepper, salt. So come, let's join Aunty. Okay, let's grill the corn. Okay, let's see how is the corn. All right. All right, it's cooked already. Now I want to grill the potato. This potato I already pre-cooked, boil it for a while so that it will not take so much time when we grill. Put black pepper, and I already put the cooking oil, a bit of salt. These are prawns. Sprinkle with this black pepper, a bit of salt, and then a little bit of paprika, mixed herbs, potato also, put a bit of mixed herbs. Okay. Okay, let's start the grill. Cover it to ensure it's fully cooked. Okay, turn it. Oh, the color beautiful. Oh, nice. Wedges. That's how it looks after grill. Marvelous. So friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Grilled paprika prawns, sweet corn, and potato wedges. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.